Imagine a world where an entire house can be printed layer by layer in a matter of hours. Welcome to the dawn of a new era in construction, where the revolutionary concept of 3D printed houses is not just a science fiction trope, but a tangible reality. We are glad you joined us today. If you have not already done so, please share, like, and subscribe to keep the conversation going and be notified of future videos. This innovative approach is reshaping the construction industry, bringing a multitude of benefits that are transforming housing as we know it. With 3D printing, we're seeing a significant reduction in costs, not just in terms of money but also in time and resources. Construction waste, a notorious byproduct of traditional building methods, is drastically minimized. Efficiency is greatly increased as intricate designs are brought to life with precision and speed. We're witnessing a shift from the old norms to a more sustainable and efficient model of home building. This isn't just a wild idea, it's a reality that's changing the face of home construction as we know it. The journey of a 3D printed house begins with a creative spark and a digital blueprint. Creating a 3D printed house is not just about technology, but also about vision. It starts with architects and engineers transforming an idea into a tangible concept. They sketch the initial design considering factors like aesthetics, functionality, and structural integrity. Their imagination is the only limit to the possibilities, thanks to the flexibility and customization potential of 3D printing technology. Once the conceptualization is complete, the real magic begins. The design is translated into a digital model using sophisticated software. This is where we see the fusion of creativity and technology. Every nook and cranny, every contour and line is meticulously crafted in this virtual environment. The model is not just a representation of the house, but a detailed blueprint that the 3D printer will follow to the letter. The role of architects and engineers is crucial in this process. They ensure that the design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound. They integrate elements like plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems into the design. They consider the materials to be used, their properties, and how they will react to the 3D printing process. Their expertise and attention to detail are what make the design of a 3D printed house a masterpiece of architectural and engineering brilliance. What sets the design process of a 3D printed house apart is the precision and customization it offers. Unlike traditional construction methods, 3D printing allows for intricate designs and unique structures that would be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve otherwise. It enables architects and engineers to push the boundaries of what is possible in home design, creating houses that are truly one of a kind. So, the journey from design to reality is a fascinating process that combines creativity, technology, and precision. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the potential of 3D printing technology in revolutionizing the construction industry. With the design in place, it's time for the printers to take over. Intricate layers of material, meticulously deposited one on top of the other, give birth to a tangible structure. This is the magic of three-dimensional printing in the realm of construction. But how does this process actually work? Let's break it down. Primarily, it begins with a digital blueprint. This blueprint, a detailed three-dimensional model of the house, is then sliced into hundreds, sometimes thousands, of horizontal layers by the computer software. Each of these layers represents a cross-section of the house, a single layer in the three-dimensional structure. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the 3D printer itself. This isn't your average office printer, but a colossal mechanical arm that exudes raw power and precision. It follows the blueprint, systematically depositing a special type of concrete layer by layer. This concrete is designed specifically for 3D printing, boasting impressive strength and versatility. The printer moves meticulously, extruding the concrete in a continuous stream, following the path set out by the digital blueprint. It's a slow dance between technology and engineering, a delicate balance of speed and accuracy. It's mesmerizing to watch as the structure starts to rise, the walls taking shape, the rooms forming, the house slowly coming to life. And what about the materials used? Well, they're nothing short of revolutionary. The concrete mix is not only durable, ensuring the longevity of the house, but also versatile. It can be manipulated to form complex shapes and structures, opening up a world of architectural possibilities. The integration of technology and engineering in this process is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a seamless dance of precision and innovation, resulting in a structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing home that challenges traditional construction norms. And just like that, an architectural marvel rises from the ground. The future of construction, materializing before our very eyes, layer by layer, in a symphony of technology, design, and sheer human ingenuity. Beyond its impressive structure, the 3D printed house is a model of modern living. Stepping inside, it becomes apparent that the magic of 3D printing doesn't stop at the front door. The interior is a testament to thoughtful design and functionality, merging the best of technology and aesthetics. The open concept layout greets us first. This architectural trend, popular for its ability to create a sense of spaciousness, is taken to new heights in a 3D printed house. The walls, floors, and ceilings flow seamlessly into one another, crafted in one continuous print. It's a fluid space, free of unnecessary partitions, that fosters connection and interaction. The modern amenities are next to catch the eye. In a world where technology and convenience go hand in hand, the 3D printed house doesn't disappoint. Integrated smart home systems manage temperature, lighting, and security at the touch of a button. The kitchen, equipped with energy-efficient appliances, caters to the culinary enthusiast with precision and ease. The bathroom, with its sleek fixtures and intelligent water systems, offers a spa-like retreat. But what truly sets the 3D printed house apart are the ergonomic spaces. Every corner of the house is designed to enhance comfort and promote well-being. Natural light floods through large windows, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a warm, inviting ambience. The bedrooms are havens of tranquility, while the living areas are designed for relaxation and entertainment. Moreover, the versatility of 3D printing allows for customization. Future homeowners can tailor their living spaces to their needs and preferences, ensuring each 3D printed house is as unique as its occupants. The 3D printed house is more than a marvel of construction. It's a living, breathing entity that adapts to our modern lifestyle. It recognizes the need for environmentally responsible living without compromising on comfort or style. And it offers a glimpse into a future where homes are not just built, but crafted with precision, efficiency, and a deep understanding of human needs. The 3D printed house isn't just about innovative construction, it's about enhancing the quality of life. The 3D printed house isn't a one-off marvel, it's the dawn of a revolution in the construction industry. Today, the world is witnessing a surge in 3D printed constructions. From the Icon and New Stories affordable housing project in Tabasco, Mexico to Apis Cor's one-story residential house in Russia, these successful constructions are a testament to the potential of 3D printing in home building. Notable industry players like Winson in China and Cobot in Denmark have embarked on ambitious projects, setting new benchmarks with multi-story 3D printed buildings. These companies are pushing the boundaries, proving that 3D printing can deliver larger and more complex structures, reshaping our urban landscapes. However, building and operating a 3D printed house isn't without challenges. Ensuring structural integrity, meeting building regulations, and adapting to different climates and geographies are hurdles that need to be overcome. But with every challenge comes an opportunity for innovation. For instance, companies are experimenting with different materials like concrete mixed with recycled plastics to improve durability and insulation. They are also developing advanced 3D printers that can adapt to complex designs and harsh weather conditions. Looking ahead, the future of 3D printed houses seems promising. As the technology matures and becomes more accessible, we can expect a rise in custom-built, eco-friendly homes. These homes will not only be built faster and cheaper, but they'll also minimize waste, making the construction process more sustainable. We can also anticipate a shift in architectural design. With the freedom to print any shape, architects will no longer be restricted by the limitations of traditional construction methods. This could lead to more innovative and efficient designs, transforming the way we perceive and inhabit spaces. The first ever 3D printed house isn't just a testament to human ingenuity, it's a glimpse into a future where technology, sustainability, and architectural brilliance converge to redefine the way we build and live. We've embarked on a journey through the creation of a 3D printed house. We've witnessed the wonder of a concept transformed into reality, a testament to the synthesis of imagination and technology. From the initial design stages to the cutting-edge 3D printing techniques, every step of the process has revealed the precision and brilliance involved in this architectural marvel. 3D printing in home building is not merely a novelty, but a revolution, poised to redefine housing as we know it. It's a game changer, offering the promise of reduced costs, minimized waste, and increased efficiency. We've seen how this innovative approach is transforming the construction industry, paving the way for sustainable housing solutions globally. We've discovered the various materials used in this groundbreaking project, each chosen for their durability, versatility, and the comfort they offer future occupants. As we stand on the brink of this new era in construction, one thing is certain: the future of housing is here, and it is being printed in 3D. For more on the AI revolution and how it is transforming our lives, please check out the video cards on the end screen. Thank you for spending time with us today. We will see you in the next video.